The Kind Fairy. Once upon a time, in a magical land hidden deep in a forest, lived a kind and gentle fairy named Lily. She had delicate wings that shimmered like rainbows and a heart full of love for everyone around her. Lily had a special power. She could grant one wish to anyone who was truly kind-hearted. One day, a little girl named Mia, who lived nearby, wandered into the forest. Mia was sad because her family was poor, and they didn't have enough food to eat. She sat under a tree, feeling hopeless. Lily, seeing the girl's sadness, decided to help. She flew down to Mia and said, "I can grant you one wish, but remember, kindness and love are the greatest gifts in life." Mia thought for a moment and then said, "I wish that everyone in my village has enough food to eat and is happy." Lily smiled and granted her wish. The next morning, the village was filled with food and laughter. People shared their meals, and joy spread everywhere. Mia was happy, but she knew the real magic was in the kindness she showed. From that day on, Mia and the villagers lived happily, always helping each other and spreading kindness. Moral: true magic lies in kindness and helping others.